Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am here with my another video, and this video is about some different length of pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really pretty with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful. And as you see, this transparent heel looks really nice. This one is also a very beautiful shiny transparent thing that looks really amazing. And this one is also a very pretty color, black kind of color and V shape from the front that looks really nice. And this boots kind of thing looks really pretty, very beautiful with your every kind of dress. And this one is also a very beautiful transparent shiny thing, goes very perfectly with your eastern kind of dresses. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful red color, a very unique kind of colors, and the combinations also looks really nice. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful link with a tag on the top, and that makes this heel more beautiful and valuable. And as you see, this color also looks really nice, a really unique kind of color that look really pretty. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. Like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.